Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about height, width, maximum and minimum height and width in CSS3. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about the box model. I think it's like a very clear explanation. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. So what is box model, how to create, and everything was explained in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, just go and learn how to create box model in CSS. Now in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about height and width in CSS. So what is the uses of height and width, and we are having another properties like we can give auto, and also we can give many things in height and width. What is the usage of that? And so everything I want to discuss in this tutorial. And also maximum width, minimum width, and maximum height, minimum height also I want to discuss in this tutorial. So let's go. And first of all, I'll create a div tag here. So to work on that, so I'm creating div tag. So just I'll close this div tag. So I'm copying the same content. I'm not writing because waste of time, and just control S. I'm not creating new HTML file always for every tutorial, and same tutorial and I'm using every time. And in CSS only I'm creating a div and as well as class name which is called WID. So here I'm writing the code which is like width and height. So I'm giving the width first of all. So generally I want to give the width like 50 pixels. You can give in percentage, you can give in like auto means it's take like automatically. So just give the height also like 100 pixels. Just I'm giving 100 pixels and just control S. And here you need to specify the class, which class you are giving. Just give the class and WID. So created the class which is called WID, and just control S and remove this one. Already we closed the tag, and just control S and just reload it. You can see that we got like a height and width which is like this. So if I not give suppose if I decreases the width to like 100 pixels, just observe, you'll increase the size. You can see that the difference between 100 and 50 pixels in width and height. So generally I am giving the height which is called 100 pixels, so that's why it is in like that one. So if you want the background color also, you can give the background color like hot pink. Just control S. So you'll get like a background color up to here. So why it was only some point only? So because we specified the width and height also, it was applicable for both. So that's why it was in like that something point up to that point only. So guys, if you want to give in percentage also, of course you can give percentage also. So you can give like 50% and just control S and just reload it, and you can see the output which is in like percentage. So if you want like 40 percentage, you can give like 40 percentage and just control S, reload it, and you can see the 40 percentage. So this is the way of using a background color of width and height. So this is the way to use. I hope it's like a very clear. So now I'll explain about other options which was available in CSS, that one also very important. So which is called maximum width and maximum height. So where we can use maximum width and maximum height generally. So guys, if you want to increase this one up to maximum width, like you can see I have fixed to like 50%, like that. So if you given like maximum width like 500 pixels, so just instead of, I already explained to command in before. So to command anything, just make like this and give star, and which one you want, just close this one. So which is commands in CSS. Now I'm using the maximum width. That means I want to give like maximum width like up to 500 pixels. That means it's take up to 500 pixels. That means just reload it and see the output. You can see the maximum width of that. It's like a 500 pixels maximum it can take. That is the difference. If you given directly width, it's not takes only it's like a fixed size. So if you given like maximum height also, of course it was taken takes to 500 pixels. So yeah, I'll command this one. I want to show how it was working of maximum width also. So maximum height and minimum height also. So minimum height I'll give. So I'm saying that minimum height I want like 100 pixels. That means I'm specifying like minimum height should be 10 pixels suppose. So 100 I already used. That means you can see that it's like the height was reduced. I think you observed because I given like minimum height should be like 10. So minimum 10 and maximum up to anything. So that's why. So that's what I'm fixing. Maximum means it should not uh, beyond, it should not be like that. So 500 pixels I given maximum width, it should not execute more than 500. So minimum with at least 10 pixels, more than 10 anything. So that is the difference between maximum and minimum. I think it's like a very clear. So this is the way to use. So I hope instead of using width and height the fixed sizes, better to use maximum width and minimum height and maximum height, because it's like it's take due to pages, it's take like it should be like more responsive when compared to fixed sizes. I think it's like a very clear explanation. I'll come with another tutorial which is called icons. So how to add icons in CSS, everything we'll discuss in upcoming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and we all